Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Rashad, and this is part 3 of the Pinterest ads case study. We're actually launching our campaigns live on Pinterest. So if you haven't seen the other parts of the case study, we're basically taking a Clickbank product and promoting that on Pinterest. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the campaign. All right, now we're looking at the back end of Pinterest and our campaign. So I started out with a traffic-based campaign instead of conversions. So I do have the Pinterest tag installed, but I don't have any leads or page views from actual people that want to buy the product yet. So we're starting out with traffic. Also, our daily spend cap is $60. And then I have a lifetime cap of $120 for the campaign. So I really want to try 2 days of spending $60 a day, and then I can start to optimize if I get sales. What else for campaign? That's about it for campaign. So we'll go ahead and head to ad groups. Okay, so I have 2 ad groups. One is interest targeting. So let's go here. So my first ad group is interest based. So I go down to health, diet and nutrition, diet, and then ketogenic diet. So I'm actually using a interest for one of the ad groups, and that is, they're saying that 638 to 707,000 people that I could reach just from that ketogenic diet interest. All right, and going back, and then so interest targeting, ketogenic diet, and then this is all genders, age, location, language, and device. And this is browse placement. So since I'm doing the interest, it's not actually going from keywords. It's based on people actually scrolling in their feed. And also the bid for this particular ad group is 25 cents. Okay, and then my second ad group, I'm actually doing keyword targeting, and that's the same as all genders, ages, languages, locations, and devices. But this one is search placement, since I'm doing keyword targeting. And also this one is 25 cents. I've got a manual bid. Now the thing is, I actually launched, or at least published the campaign for approval maybe 2 hours ago. It took maybe 30 minutes for them to approve it, which is, it's pretty crazy, because I ran my first campaign on Snapchat ads, and it took 4 or 5 days for them to even review it. And then when they did review it, they disapproved it, and I had to do some stuff to get approved. Anyway, Pinterest, they're pretty good with how quickly they approve their campaigns. What I'm seeing now is it's been active for about an hour, and I haven't got any clicks. So I'm thinking maybe by tomorrow afternoon, if I don't have any clicks, I'm gonna increase that bid from 25 cents to maybe 30 or 40 cents, so I can start actually getting some traffic. All right, let's take a look at some of the keywords I use for this ad group, keyword targeting. So loading here. All right, so here's some of the keywords. I believe it's, how many do I have? I think it's maybe 30. No, 42. So I've got 42 keywords that I'm targeting here. Here's the keywords here. Custom meal plan, custom keto plan, keto diet plan, keto diet plan for beginners. And all these are broad match, because I'm just testing right now. So I really just want to go broad, and if I get sales, then I'll go ahead and start to narrow down which keywords are actually profitable and which ones I need to eliminate. All right, now let's go into the actual ad, and the ad is the pin itself. So let's take a look at that pin. All right, so here is the pin. So we click watch again. All right, here's the pin. Keto for beginners, how to transform your body in 2021. So I've got an image of a young lady here, and then the background, let me just try and pause this. Yeah, I've got an image of just some keto foods like nuts, avocados, and then I've got free quiz because my landing page, I'm going to talk about that, but because my landing page is actually a quiz, or opt-in page is a quiz, and then from the opt-in page they actually go to the Clickbank offer. But yeah, so keto diet for beginners, how to transform your body in 2021 with the keto diet, and I got the description. Okay, and that was the full campaign that I have set up, the ad groups, the ads, and the keywords. And now let's talk about the process of actually getting those commissions and our actual opt-in and our whole funnel. So let's go into that now. If you're enjoying the Pinterest ads case study so far, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And when you do, make sure you comment I subscribe and maybe a question or anything you want to say to me, and I'll reply. Thank you. All right, so this is the full sales funnel for our campaign. So our traffic source, of course, is Pinterest ads. We have a pin that people can click on. And once they click on that, they go to my website, which is an opt-in page, which is also a quiz funnel. So they can take the quiz and they figure out what their goals are and what their struggles are and what they should do as far as with the keto diet. I'm basically selling or convincing them that they should go ahead and get a custom keto diet to meet their goals and to quit struggling with trying to lose weight and get healthier and everything. Now, so the thing is, when you're doing this, maybe a small percentage of people actually go opt in and buy the link when the first time that they see it. But for the majority of people, they're going to want to think about it and they may actually buy it later. So the cool thing about this is, even though you may not get as many conversions here, you have your email. So now you can come down and, okay, day one, here's an email, something like, here are 8 benefits of the keto diet. And then you got your affiliate link, an email. And then you skip a day, and then day 3, like here's 3 testimonials from the keto diet. And now you're reminding people. And there's also some people that don't buy from their mobile phone. They might want to actually buy, but they're like, hey, I'm going to wait till I get back to my desktop or my laptop to actually buy. But the thing is, when you're collecting emails, you have multiple chances now to get someone to convert, versus when you're just sending someone to the link. That's just like a one-time thing, right? But including myself, you have to think that a lot of people don't actually buy the first time. So this is why it's important to have collecting emails and also following up with people to get those conversions. Okay, so that was the review of my total campaign on Pinterest, as well as my sales funnel. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you're excited for part 4 where you actually see the results of that campaign on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.